Hi, it's me Priyal. Hi, it's me Priyal. Welcome back. So today we'll be going to learn that how to develop each calculator app in code.org. Let's get started. Come to your Google Chrome on your laptop or desktop and just type here code.org and you will redirect it to this page. And now what you have to do is come on this web page. And now here what you can do is you can choose the where first you have to create your account on code.org. So here I have my account. I'll click on sign in. And now here I will put my email, username and password that I will put, so I can't tell you that. So now I hope you guys can see here on my screen. Here I have signed in my account and now I will click on create, come to app lab because today we'll be creating app. Okay. And now, come here and then come to design tab, rename it by putting it as AG. Okay. Here I'm putting it as AG. You can put it whatever you like. And now what I have to do is, firstly, you can choose any beautiful theme by clicking here and then you can choose whatever you want like. And if you want a background image, then you can click on this choose button. And now here you can upload your file for creating a background image. Okay. So here what I will do is, so here I'll upload my image by clicking on upload file and now here I can upload the image whatever I like. You can to upload it. Here I am uploading this one. So here I am uploading this image. Clicking on open and here I have uploaded it. I will click on choose button. Now you can see the images here. And now what I want is I want a label. Okay. Here I am putting a label. And then in the place of text I will write age calculator. Somewhat like this. And now what I want is I wanna come to the text color because I don't like this color. So I'm putting it as black. Yeah. And the background color if you want you can. But here I'm not putting this background color. I'm putting yellow. It's absolutely your choice. You can do it. And phone family also, if you want to change, you can change it. Phone size I'm making it as 2020. And now I will make it little bit bigger like this. Okay. And text alignment I'm making it as center. Border width. Yeah. Border color, let me make it as what I can do is green like this, and border radius as 66. Here we have done. Okay, now what I want is I wanna one more label here. Okay, font size is 2020. Text color is black. In the place of text, I'll write your age in years. Okay, let me make it here. Okay, now what I want is I wanna come on this phone family. Okay, but here I'm not changing it. Background color, let me make it as pink. Yeah, and now I wanna a text input so that why I want text input so that the user can write his or her age. I'm making it as bigger, somewhat like this. Okay, now in the place of this text input, okay, I'm making font size as 2020. Okay, done. Now, yes, what I want is, yeah, but just wait a minute. I want to change its font size too. Okay, I'm making it as comic. Done. Now, I want again a label. Oh, sorry, not a label. I want a button here. And then background color you can change here. I'm not changing it at all. And button. And let me rename it as calculate. Done. Now what I want is text color I can change but I'm not. Phone family, what about Georgia? No. Comic, I'm making it as Arial black only. Phone family is 19. Yeah. And now let me make it as little bigger. And now let's come to, yeah, so here I have chosen the border color is blue. And now what I want is I want again a label. Font size is 20. Background color light blue. Let me choose. Okay. Text color is black. And in the place of text, I will write your age in hours is done. Okay. And now I want again a text input. So here we have, okay, done. Now, font size I want is 1919. Font family is comic. Done. Yeah. Now let's come to the code part. On event ID type callback. Now I wanted when anyone will click on, here you can see So when anyone will click on button 1, okay, then what I want, that I want them, so I want this set number option. Okay, in the place of ID, I will what take? I'll take text input 2. Done. Now I will come on math, this multiplication icon, drag it and drop it here, and type here 8760. Done. Now come to UI controls, get number option. Drag it and drop it here. And now make it as text input 1. So let's test our app. Your age in years 11. Calculate. Your age in hours is 96,360. You can see our app is working fine. So here we have completed with this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more updates. Till that, take care and bye bye. If you have any doubts, please comment me.